So today is the day that we learn how to code easy shadow system scratch so that we can find out and we can make our games look like ray traced masterpieces. It will just enhance it a little. It's not like ray tracing or anything. Anyways, you'll need to have your players, right? Then you need to take your player sprite. You'll need to take the class to the flip it. And you will have to make it smaller, make it like that. Or you could just do a big circle. It'll be your choice. Then you take the modified costume, copy it and paste it, make a new sprite, and child. Now, now obviously shadow ray tracing only works when you have player movement. Okay. Now you want to get a one whatever happens. A message block. This would be a message block. Take forever. Go to X. And you want your Y to be the Y you're gonna have. But you want to add sprite 1's X and Y position. And you want it, then it will work. Obviously there's a problem. For below, it's not gonna work. Now if you see this, if one see that it's hard to get this below because it's lower. If X position is less than the X position of our favorite sprite will look like this. Then we need to hide. If it's not, then we would show. Now obviously this will work fine. So you may like this. So we're going to give a little waiting room. Just give the tiniest margin for error. This margin can change this value. That is how you make easy shadow system in Scratch.